Say hello to a legend reborn. This is the all-new 2026 Chevrolet Corvair, a bold revival, one of Chevy's most controversial yet iconic classic cars. And it's back with a bang. From the front, it's clear this isn't just a retro throwback. Quad headlights pay homage to the original 1960s design, but with a modern LED twist that looks like it was ripped straight from a sci-fi movie. Dark gray paint adds a sinister edge, while the Chevrolet emblem sits proudly atop a minimalist grille that's more style than just a vent. As you cruise along the side, you'll notice the low stance and sleek, unbroken lines. There's just a right amount of chrome to give a nostalgic feel, but the blacked-out performance wheels and red brake calipers convey modern power. This Corvair doesn't just go fast. It haunts the pavement. And the rear? Wow. Twin oval LED taillights, a clear nod to Corvair's origins, are now sharpened and redesigned for 2026. The Chevrolet trademark is clean and commanding, sitting above the corner of a neatly integrated license plate. But look closer, the exhaust is gone. And here's why. That's because this car doesn't roar, it hums. Underneath, the 2026 Corvair breaks away from the tradition of flat-six gasoline engines and embraces an electric heart. Dual rear-mounted electric motors provide all-wheel drive and instant torque. And it's still rear-engine, just like the original. A perfect blend of nostalgia and next-generation engineering. Step inside, and you're instantly transported back to the 60s. But don't let the vintage dashboard fool you. Everything's been updated under the hood. Behind that classic steering wheel is a digital cluster cleverly disguised as analog. The controls? These cars look true to their time, but their functionality is modern. Even the push-button radio hides a touchscreen interface. The 2026 Chevrolet Corvair isn't just a car. It's a love letter to a misunderstood legend. A once controversial car, now reinvented as something confident, powerful, and electric. If this is the future of classic car revivals, count us in. Like and subscribe for more modern classic cars. Leave a comment below. Would you choose this over a Mustang Mach-E or Dodge Charger Daytona? Let's talk.